Hello students, today we will perform the test for acetic ion, that is acidic radical. The test for acetate ion is that take some salt in a dry test tube, add some dilute H2SO4. It will give vinegar like smell, so that we can observe that acetate may be present in the salt. So next one, take aqueous solution of salt in a dry test tube, add few drop of NaOH, and after that add small amount of FeCl3 aqueous. This will give red PPT, so it will confirm that acetate ion is present in the salt. So again, at number third, in the aqueous solution of salt, add 2 to 3 drop of H2O water and 2 to 3 drop of dilute H2SO4, and after that boil it. It will give fruity smell for ester, and it will also confirm that acetate ion is present in the salt. So the chemical reactions for acetate ion is this. This will be the representation of the formation of ester. So let's check how the acetate ion is detected. First of all, take a dye test tube and take some small amount of acetate, or we can say the salt, in a dry test tube. After that, add some dilute H2SO4 sulfuric acid to the dry salt in test tube. It provides a pungent smell of vinegar, so we can say that acetate ion may be present in the salt. At number second, take some aqueous solution of salt, in a dry test tube, and aqueous solution of salt. Now add some NaOH, directly drop of sauce. Now add some few drop of NaOH to the test tube containing aqueous solution of salt. Now add some FeCl3, few drop of FeCl3 to the salt solution. It provides reddish brown PPT. And that confirms that acetate ion is present in the salt. So let's perform another conformity test for the acetate ion. For the acetate ion, make aqueous solution of salt. Aqueous solution of salt. इसको बदल दूँ. एसिड में साफ करो. एसिड में इसमें एसिड डाल दो. इसमें साफ. So this is the aqueous solution of salt. Now we will add 2 to 3 drop of dilute H2SO4 to the salt, to the aqueous solution of salt. And now heat it slowly. We will burn the solution slowly. After boiling the solution, add some ethyl alcohol to the solution. And boil it again. This solution provides a fruity smell, and that is the characteristic of ester. Hence, it confirms the formation of ester and hence the presence of acetate ion in the salt.